Hey beautiful trainers and collectors, it's Al. So I've been reading that the pull rates in the Pokemon 151 UPC have not been all that great. So I'm going to open another one. Let's see how we do. Hey guys, so my goal here is not to bore you guys with the complete unboxing of the Pokemon 151 collection, just because there's already so many out there. So I'm going to try to get straight to the packs. As long as I can keep this fast and smooth and efficient. Alright, pack number one. See how it goes. I hope me wearing this clown outfit doesn't really become what sets the tone with this whole entire opening or unboxing. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bad boys to the front there. Alright. Honk honk. Alright. Here we go. Kingler. Grabber. Try to move fast here. Generally pretty slow with this stuff. Try to be efficient here for you guys. And also this okay. Heavy hitter time. Let's see. Okay. I'm happy with that. That's a great first pack. I don't have this one yet. That's a great first pack. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Put that here to the side. Alright, started off strong. Pack number 2. As long as I can get this thing open. You know what? I don't got time for all this. Let's do it this way. There we go. Why didn't I do that the first time around? Let's go, baby. Seadra, I don't have that card yet. Dragonair, I don't have that card yet. Onyx, I don't have that card yet. Okay. Alrighty. Heavy hitter. Gengar, not bad. Beedrill. Staryu, okay. So far I'd say we got a 50% good success rate or good pull rate. Let's get to this. I'm way too slow for all this stuff. I'm pretty sure this is like a crime to do it this way. Executor. Whoop. Right on. Andrew sticker. Squirtle. Rattata baby. Tentacool. Duo. Let's go. Energy. Wheezing. Okay. Ooh. I don't have that card yet. Alrighty. Let's keep it going. Keep the energy up. Let's keep hope alive, baby. Hope alive. If you don't have hope, what do you have? You know? This is the hope train right here. Alright, let's go. Fable, I don't have that card yet. If anything, this is already worth it, mainly just for completing my set here. I'm getting a lot of cards that I haven't gotten on the first pack. This is pretty sweet so far for me. But so far we're like 1 for 3, I think we're on. Alright, heavy hitter time. Starmie. Old Amber. Squirtle. I'm actually happy to have the reverse holo for Squirtle. Alright. On to the next pack. Keep this fast. If I don't get anything good here, I might put the nose back on. I really don't want to do that. I really don't want to do that. Don't. Oh, did I just? No, that wasn't it. 4 to the front. Alrighty. Sandslash. Snorlax. Kingler. Magnemite. Caterpie. Vulpix. Cubone. Heavy hitter. Didn't even look at it yet. Alright. Honk honk. Clown world right now, folks. Clown world indeed. It's gonna be even more clown world when I rip a card on accident. It's a valuable card. Or just rare card. That's it. That'll be really clown world. 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's go, baby. Alright. That's such a sweet card. I don't even think I have that one yet. Thank you. Tongue. Energy. Heavy hitter. Golem EX. Pretty good card. I already have this one, but that's a good sign. I'd say that's 2 decent packs so far. Execute. Magnemite. Not mad at that. Another Golem EX. I'm acting crazy now. I'm acting crazy. Let's go. Come on. I don't want to be a clown the entire video. Don't do this to me, Pokemon. I've been too loyal to the brand. Okay, I don't have this Primate card. I've been too loyal to the brand. Fearow. Actually, I don't think I had the Fearow card either. Come on. Come on. Alright, here we go. Heavy hitters. That's sweet though. I'm happy to have that. Alright. Gotta keep it moving, right? Can't complain. Dang, I said it. Maybe this whole thing is a scam for 151. Because I am having horrible luck this second time around. Alright, we're back. Camera died. Sorry about that, guys. Let's get back to this real quick. I want to see. I'll move 3 to the front. I might butcher this pack just because I don't know where I left off here. Let's see. Psyduck. Okay, so yeah, I didn't mix it up wrong. Or improperly. We already know we don't have a God pack, unfortunately. Metapod. Epic card. Okay, that's pretty sweet. Chance. Ooh, that's a sick card. Oh, the art on some of these cards is amazing. They really are. What a beautiful card. What a beautiful card. I did not have that one yet. That's an excellent pack. That's an excellent pack. Let's keep it going, baby. Let's keep it going. Oh god, I'm so happy with that Squirtle. I really wanted that card. You know the Bulbasaur special illustration card is probably one of my favorite cards in the entire pack, other than maybe Zapdos. And that Squirtle card is also pretty sweet. They did a great job with this set. I just wish I can get all the good cards, you know? I mean, that's half the fun in opening a pack. You know, you never know what you're gonna get. And once you get something good, it just hits so well. Okay. I'm sorry for the mess, guys. I know this is super sloppy. I'm kind of rushing here. A lot of other things I gotta do. But I really wanted to open this. I really wanted to see how this is gonna go. And I'm just not a clean guy in general, at times. But we're gonna get through this together. Alright. Super cool. Oh, see, like the art in some of these cards are so sweet. They really are. Dude, Farfetch. Oh, what a sweet card. Heavy hitters, heavy hitters. Ooh, that's beautiful. It's not super rare or anything, but that's a beautiful card. Dragonite, I already have that one. Geodude, already have that one. So we've got a little bit more to go. We're getting through it though. Okay, I'm gonna cut. Oh, for sure. I gotta learn how to open these packs quickly. I really do. Whoa. Hey. Did I do stuff? I don't know. I hope I didn't. We're gonna find out. Magmar. That's probably my favorite Pokemon other than Mewtwo. I've been looking for that card. Farfetch'd. Alrighty. Yep, so I gotta... Oh. I have this card already. Oh, I thought it was something else. So I've got a card scattered around here. Let's just see if there's any of these that are... This is why you don't let me film videos. I'm just a complete mess. Alright, so I'm gonna guess whatever I had. Yeah, there's nothing amazing here. We're just gonna move on. Complete mess. Complete mess. Complete clown show. Complete clown show. Honk honk. You know? Complete clown show. Complete amateur. Amateur hour. Whatever you want to call it, it all applies. We're gonna keep the show going though, man. That's what you do at the circus. You just keep the show rolling. Keep the show rolling. Keep it that. Alright. Heavy hitters. Ooh, that's what I wanted. That's good for me. Alright, I've got like a million of these cards. Alrighty. Getting nice and dark on cam. Setting the mood for disappointment for this entire pack. Got the clown mask on, I've got the nose on. My nose is itching. But that don't stop it, baby. That don't stop it. Nothing can stop this. Unless I lose all energy in my battery, that's about it. That's about it. Okay, Tauros. Alright, okay. Okay. Alright. Okay, we hit a territory. That's so sweet, champ. I think I had that already. Scyther. Sweet. Rhyhorn. Also sweet. Man, I paid 120 bucks for this. I thought I cut into everything. Alright. Hold on, I'm gonna turn the light on. Alright, we got the light on. We're still rolling, baby. Still rolling, baby. Let's see what we get here. Let's see what we get here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put it in the front. Go back. Bill's transfer, Mr. Bill. Pincer. Nidoran. Horsey. Bellsprout. Shelter. Energy. Aerodactyl. Doodle. Like Buzz. I've got 2 left. I got 2 left. At this point, feeling like I wasted my money here. So I had the Zapdos EX collection, and that got me pretty insane pulls. Elite Trainer box was just okay for me. I don't know, this a little down, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't have Persian. A little disappointed. I expected big things. But you know what? My luck had to run out at some point. But I just love this entire process, this entire journey. Heavy hitter time. Gyarados. Oh, that's so sick. I didn't have Gyarados. That's a sick card. Tauros. Good now. Alright. Do I have any? No. Am I going crazy? That is. Was that the last? No, okay. I thought I was going crazy. See your cards, baby. See your cards. Last pack. Last pack. That was my clown song for some good luck here. I did not want to keep this on for the entire video. Hitmonchan. I didn't have Hitmonchan yet either. You gone. The choke. Staryu. Jigglypuff. Cute little guy. Geodude. Ralph. Alright, it's God Pack. We're going out on a God Pack hunt. What'd I get?